Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Analyze pair A. The two structures are I-phenyl ester where benzoic acid esterifies paracrysal C6H5C is equal to O, C6H4CH3, para, and 2-para-toluic acid esterifying phenol CH3C6H4C is equal to O, C6H5. Both have the same molecular formula and both are esters, but the alkyl-aryl groups on either side of the ester linkage C is equal to O are swapped. This is the definition of metamers, same functional group, same molecular formula but different alkyl groups on either side of the functional group. Therefore, A matches S metamers. Moving on to the next step. Analyze pair B. The two structures are ICH3CH2CH2 butanoic acid straight chain 4 carbons and 2CH3 to CH, to methylpropanoic acid isobutyric acid, branched chain, 4 carbons. Both are carboxylic acids with molecular formula C4H8O2, but one is straight chain and the other is branched. This is chain isomerism. Therefore, B matches P chain. Moving on to the next step. Analyze pair C. The two structures shown are nitrocanes. One has number 2 on C3 of pentane, 3-nitropentane, and the other has number 2 on C2 of pentane, 2-nitropentane. Both have the same molecular formula C5H11NO2 and the same functional group, nitro group, but the nitro group is at different positions on the same carbon chain. This is positional isomerism. Therefore, C matches Q positional. And for the final step, analyze pair D. The two structures are based on the tetralin 1, 2, 3, 4 tetrahydronaphthalene framework. One has an OH group directly on the ring, phenol type or secondary alcohol, with a CH3 substituent, and the other has a CH2OH group, primary alcohol benzyl alcohol type, on the ring. Both have the same molecular formula but different functional groups. One is an aryl secondary alcohol, or on ring carbon, and the other is a primary benzyl alcohol, CH2O. Different functional groups with the same molecular formula is equal to functional group isomerism. Therefore, D matches R functional. Summary. A. S. Metamers, same ester functional group. Alkyl-aryl groups swapped around the ester linkage. B. P. Chain, same carboxylic acid functional group, differ in carbon skeleton, straight versus branched. C. Q. Positional, same nitro functional group on same pentane chain, differ in position of number 2. D. R. Functional, one is a ring OH alcohol, other is a CH2OH alcohol, different functional group environments classified as functional isomers. Therefore, the correct answer is AS, BP, CQ, DR. The correct answer is shown on screen.